This is Jim Houston.
And I'm Bill Clement. Sure happy you're aboard for more NHL action, folks.
Both of these teams will be going all out for 2 points tonight.
Because they're big points. This should be good.
What a hit! Oh, stopped it. Denmarsh hits him. Colorado takes over. It was stopped by Bob. The pass is intercepted by Dumont to Denmarsh. Shoots! Waugh stopped him. Denmarsh goes to it. He has it. He gets the puck to the neutral zone. Florida quickly on it. Save! DeBreeze takes possession. He picks it up. The penalty will be called as soon as the Colorado Avalanche turn it over. He's going to the box for that hook.
Get out of my face right now.
Let's look at the replay.
Well, Jim, you break the rules, you go to the box. So says the man wearing the stripes.
The ref gets ready to drop the puck. Florida wins the faceoff.
Florida penalty to number 62. 2 minutes.
Colorado takes possession. He winds up. Great save. Foot passes ahead. Bob kicked it aside.
Oh, he just slams the door on the rebound.
Waugh jumps to it. McLean picks it up to the wing. Bob stops that. Interception. Good save. Bookberger with the puck. That's stopped. He gets the puck. Great hit.
Oh, that is the kind of hit that legends are made of.
He shoots. Oh, made this. It's off the post. Great save. He shoots. Great save. He collects the puck. Denmarsh picks it up to the net. That's stopped. Pass intercepted. Moves ahead. He's in on goal. That's stopped. Great hit. Into the middle. To the wing. He gets the puck. Second. Snapped the shot from the left. Bob made the save. It's 1-on-1. That's stopped. Avalanche collects the puck. He has it. Ben jolts him. He winds up. He fires a shot. Moves ahead. Towards the net. Bob kept it up. Ben goes to it. Florida should be making a line change soon. Towards the net. That's stopped. Daig moves it on. He gets a hold of it. The puck's knocked loose by Ben. Avalanche leans into a shot from the right. Colorado makes a line change. The ref gets ready to drop the puck. Daig wins the draw. Snap the shot from the right. That's stopped. He picks it up. To center. Yushkevich leans into a shot from the right. Bob stopped him. He picks it up. Gets picked up by the Florida Panthers. Colorado jumps to it. That's icing. The puck will go back to the other end for the faceoff. Neither team has been able to run away with this game. Florida hasn't taken many penalties. Both teams are getting lots of shots on goal. And both sides are getting fabulous goaltending.
And I guess it's obvious that these teams' GMs believe in building from the net out.
Dumont, it's a breakaway. He's in the clear. Foot takes the puck. He takes the puck. He shoots from the right. That's stopped. Picked up by the Colorado Avalanche. The penalty will be called as soon as the Panthers touch the puck. Penalty called for high sticking.
No way!
Let's take a look at the replay.
Here's the play that resulted in that last penalty being handed out.
Florida puts its #1 penalty-killing unit out. The ref gets ready to drop the puck. The Colorado Avalanche win the faceoff.
Florida penalty to number 27.
Bookberger shoots the puck. Great save.
Well, just more evidence that your goalie is your most important penalty killer.
Bob kept it out. Backhand shot. That's stopped. Intercepted. He winds up. He shoots from the point. Bookberger hits him.
Last minute of play.
Vince passes ahead. Shoots! He goes to it. Sackett gets hit. After one period, it's 0-0.
50-50 draw. 50 cents of every dollar goes to support local minor hockey.
Hi, everybody, and welcome back for the second period. Forsberg wins the draw. Ozolich moves the puck ahead out of center. Bob made the glove save. He backhands it from the right. That's stopped. It's one-on-one. Deadmarsh, great save. Forsberg picks it up. Ozolich with the puck. Moves ahead. He winds up. Walk. Saves. Deadmarsh gets the puck. Saved by Bob. Ozolint gets the puck. Bob got a piece of that shot. He touches the puck for icing. Colorado has not done well with the man advantage. The Florida Panthers win the faceoff. He's got a breakaway. That's stopped. Yushkevich gets hit.
Well, he hit himself right into the penalty box on that play.
Then he's stopped. It's off the post. He gets a hold of it. He goes to it. Waugh stops him. He gets the puck. Great save. Plays the puck to Yushkevich. Lushinsky passes ahead. Ben hits him. Bob, stop that. Ben with the puck. He has it. He picks it up. He fakes out Drury. He dekes out Yushkevich. Moves ahead. He takes the puck. He fakes out Bookberger. He steals the pass. Winds up, shoots! It was stopped by Waugh. To the wing, Colorado gets a breakaway. He takes the puck. He shoots! To his own blue line. He shoots. He goes to it. He takes the puck. He dekes out McLean to the offensive zone. That's stopped. Short pass to McLean. Bob makes a nice save. He takes the puck ahead, moves ahead. He scores! Here's the replay.
When your last man back is your goalie, you're in trouble.
The Florida Panthers win the faceoff.
Florida goal.
Save.
Scored by number 16.
Waugh gives it to
Assisted
Bookberger.
by number 10 and the number
That's stopped.
14.
It's one-on-one. That's stopped. Gets picked up by the Colorado Avalanche. He's stopped by Bob. He takes the puck. Sackett takes over. He dekes out Yushkevich. McLean hits him. A shot. Good save. Roy gives it to DeVries. McLean has a clear path to the net. He dekes out Vince. He picks it up. Winds up, he's stopped. He picks it up, he goes to it. Picked up by Dingman. On to McLean. He takes the puck ahead to the net. Bob saves. Dumont gets it. To the wing. He fakes out Deadmarsh, who deked out Foot. He fakes out Ozelich. He backhands it. Nice save. He scores! With that goal, Florida now leads by a score of 2-0.
The next goal could make or break this game for them. A 3-goal lead gives you a couple of free mistakes. A 1-goal lead is precarious at the best of times.
Roy made the save. He fakes out Vince. Moves ahead. He's in on goal. He scores! Let's look at the replay.
The defense goes for a little bit of a snooze on this play, and you know what? It cost them a goal.
Colorado makes a line change. Florida wins the draw. Blasts away. Roy kept it out. Ben gets the puck. After 2 periods, the Panthers lead by 3.
Florida goal scored by number 9, assisted by number 77, and by number 19.
Hello and welcome back. The 3rd period will be starting momentarily. The ref gets ready to drop the puck. He shoots from the neutral zone. The stick save was made by Roy. He gets the puck. Oh, what a save! Moves it to DeVries. McLean moves it over to the wing. He's belted. The goalie leaves the net on the delayed penalty call. He's going to get called for hooking. Colorado will have the man advantage. Can we get a replay of that penalty?
He tries to slow his opponent down just a little too aggressively, and the ref nabs him for it.
Forsberg draws the puck back.
Well, that was heading north in a southbound lane.
Boom! He's stopped by Roy.
Florida penalty to number 42.
To Forsberg. Forsberg. He fakes out McLean. He dekes around Ozelich. He dekes Ozelich. Gets picked up by Dumont. Florida should be making a line change soon. Kicked aside. He gets a hold of it. He goes to it. To center ice. Winds up. He shoots from the left. Roy stopped it. Got a piece of that shot. Great hit. What a save. Colorado touches up for the icing call. Florida puts its second line out. He takes the puck ahead to the net. Roy stopped it. Ozelich passes ahead. Forsberg passes across. Colorado picks it up. Foot gets it. He dekes Foot. He fires a shot. That's stopped. The Florida Panthers go offside. He winds from the right. He scores! Let's take another look at how the puck ended up in the net.
Watch this. He gets a hold of the puck and gets off a big slap shot from the right side. The goalie can't seem to find it in time, and it beats him right along the ice. Great play.
To center.
Florida goal scored by number 2.
He scored!
Assisted by number 91 and by number 15.
Let's take another look at this play.
As a goaltender, if you can't hold on to the puck, you at least want to deflect it away from danger. Obviously, that didn't happen this time.
With that goal, Florida now leads by a score of 5-0.
I'm not sure the word rout adequately describes what we've seen here tonight. How about massacre?
Forsberg hits him.
Florida goal scored by
He fakes out
number
Avalanche.
13,
Denmark
assisted
picks it
by
up.
number 5 and by number 16.
He has it. He's checked. Forsberg, that's stopped. He gets a hold of it. Colorado gets it. Denmark with the puck. Gets picked up by the Florida Panthers. He takes the puck ahead. Stops that. Picked up by Dumont. Foot with the puck. He takes the puck. He collects the puck to the neutral zone. He shoots from the left. Bob kept it out. Colorado gets it. Good save. Foot passes it across. McLean starts out. Great hit. It's one-on-one. Waugh makes the save. He goes to it. He goes to it. Kicked aside. Yushkevich takes the puck to McLean. Save. He goes to it. Great hit by second. Picked up by the Florida Panthers. Buchberger shoots the puck. It was kept out by Bob. Waugh makes a nice save. He one-times it. That's stopped. One time from the point. That's stopped. Drury with the puck. He's nailed. Picked up by Rushinsky. He moves across the ice. He collects the puck. He dekes out Vince. Leans into a shot. Waugh stopped it. He steals the pass. That's stopped. He picks it up. He shoots. He scores. Let's take another look at that goal.
Check this out. He does a nice little deep move and takes a backhand shot from the left side. The goalie tries to get the big trapper on it, but it beats him anyway. Nice work.
The Colorado Avalanche win the faceoff.
Florida goal scored by number
To the
91.
Bulls.
Assisted
Forsberg
by
passes
number
back.
16.
Foot shoots the puck. The save was made by Bob. He gets the puck to the offensive zone. That's stopped. Ozolic takes the puck. He fakes out Forsberg. The Panthers go offside. Colorado makes a line change. Dave draws the puck back. Rushinsky gets hit. Rushinsky gets hit. Dave, that's stopped. Shot. Ben gets the puck. Bob gets his blocker on it. He takes the puck. Ben goes to it. Ben, Florida goes to it. Interception to the wings. Picked up by Dave. He gets the puck. That's it. This one is over. The Colorado Avalanche are downed by the Florida Panthers. There were a number of things that contributed to the outcome of this game. Colorado didn't get the game they needed from Forsberg. And on top of that, it was their first game back off a road trip, which often results in a loss for the home team. On the other side, in the third period, Florida scored those 3 goals in a row, and they used their scoring chances wisely.